Maybe you've felt it too, that weight in your chest when nothing feels like enough. You're not here by accident. You're here because life has gotten loud, and something inside you needed quiet. Not silence, just space. To think, to breathe, to grow. Welcome to Thryven. This channel wasn't made to scream at you. We're not here to tell you to grind harder, or to pretend everything's okay. We're here to offer something different. A moment of clarity, a breath of encouragement, and the kind of perspective that helps you get up and keep going, even when it's hard. I started this channel because I've been where you are. I didn't have it all figured out, still don't, but I knew I had to try. I'm not a guru, I'm not a brand. I'm just someone who's been there, tired, unsure, stuck, and trying to build something real out of that mess. I use tools like AI to bring these thoughts to life, but this voice, this message, it comes from a real place. A human place. Behind this channel is someone just like you, trying to figure things out. So if you've been feeling lost, unmotivated, overwhelmed, this is your space to breathe, to reset, to move, one small step at a time. This is a channel about progress and peace and building the kind of life that actually feels like yours. You're not just surviving, you're thriving. Thanks for joining us.